A meeting of the Congress Legislature Party CLP and Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee KPCC office bearers was held on Monday to discuss key party strategies, developmental initiatives, and internal challenges. The session was marked by candid discussions on leadership dynamics, constituency development, and party discipline. AICC General Secretary and Karnataka in charge Randeep Singh Surjewala issued a stern warning to party members against making statements that could embarrass the organization. He stressed the importance of resolving issues internally and adhering to party discipline. Warning: nobody is above the party. The Chief Minister echoed these sentiments, urging leaders to avoid creating opportunities for media speculation. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah announced an additional 10 crore grant for each constituency to ensure equitable development. Highlighting a 6,000 crore allocation for development projects, he reassured MLAs of the government's commitment to addressing constituency needs across party lines. In his remarks to ministers and MLAs, Siddaramaiah reiterated that decisions on power sharing rest with the party's high command. He emphasized the need to maintain focus on development while adhering to party discipline. Surjewala's earlier warnings about avoiding public and media statements were reinforced during the meeting. The ongoing leadership tussle between Congress leaders Satish Jarkiholi and Lakshmi Hebbalkar in Belagavi took center stage during the CLP meeting. Hebbalkar claimed credit for building the district Congress office, while Jarkiholi countered by asserting his financial contributions to the project. The exchange highlighted underlying tensions, prompting senior leaders to intervene and mediate. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar reaffirmed his loyalty to the Congress leadership, stating that he does not seek individual endorsements but will work in line with party directives. I don't want to force anyone, nor do I need anyone's support. It is between the Congress party and me. I will do whatever the party wants me to do, he said, emphasizing his role as a team player and party servant. Karnataka BJP State President B.Y. Vijayendra criticized the internal conflicts within the Congress party, pointing out the growing infighting over the Chief Minister's post and also highlighting the lack of unity among prominent leaders. Prominent Congress leaders, including D.K. Shivkumar, Satish Jarkiholi, and others, are reportedly vying for the position, causing divisions within the party. Vijayendra dismissed Congress spokesperson Randeep Singh Surjewala's remarks about the BJP's internal challenges, asserting that the Congress should focus on its own governance issues and internal disputes.
Infighting within the Congress party is not new. But since Siddaramaiah is going to complete his 2 years, there are a number of leaders within the Congress party, chief ministers in waiting. More importantly, D.K. Shivkumar, who desperately wants to occupy the CM's post, and other leaders are also queuing up. And day by day, the infighting within the Congress party has already come to the streets. People are witnessing all this.
How about Lakshmi Hebbalkar and Satish Jarkiholi fight also?
Everybody is eyeing on CM's post. More than 8 strong contenders are there within the Congress party from the CM's post. So everything will come to limelight now.
Sir,
Thank you.
interestingly, Mr. Surjewala yesterday said, instead of addressing his own problem, he turned the table against BJP and says that BJP house is not in order. And
forget BJP. Forget Surjewala and Siddaramaiah. They need not worry about what is happening within the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have BJP High Command is tough enough to handle the situation. They will handle and they'll saturate the BJP, Karnataka BJP. But whereas Congress is concerned, one, there is zero development. MLAs within the ruling party are distressed due to lack of funds. Now the infighting within the Congress party for the Chief Minister post. is getting bigger and bigger day by day.
Addressing the CLP meeting, G. Parameshwara spoke about DK Shivkumar's remarks on party loyalty, stating that they all belong to the party. Regarding grants, he assured that funds will be allocated to everyone with a focus on comprehensive development.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಪಕ್ಷನೇ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದೆ, ಅದೇನು ಹೊಸದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ಪುನರುಚ್ಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ. ಪಕ್ಷ ಮುಖ್ಯ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ನಾಟ್ ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಏನು ಅವರೇನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮೊದಲಿಂದಾನೂ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಪ್ತೇನೆ. ಪಕ್ಷನೇ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನಮಗೆ. ಪಕ್ಷ ಇದ್ರೇನೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಪಕ್ಷ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಒಪ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸರ್, ಉದಯ
ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು
ಗೊಂದಲ ಏನಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಗೊಂದಲ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೊಂದಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪರಿಹಾರ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಗೊಂದಲನೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಗೊಂದಲ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಗೊಂದಲಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಉತ್ತರ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಗೊಂದಲನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಕೇಳೋದು? ಗೊಂದಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಅವ್ರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅನವಶ್ಯಕವಾಗಿ ಯಾರೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಾರಣರಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ಹುದ್ದೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ವಿಚಾರ ಉದಯಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚಾರ ಇನ್ನೇ ಸುರ್ಜೇವಾಲ ಅವರು 99% ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ವಿಶೇಷ ಪ್ರಕರಣ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. CLPನೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ
ಅನುದಾನ ವಿಚಾರ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಶಾಸಕರಿಗೂ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ವಿರೋಧ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಶಾಸಕರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು. ಸಮಗ್ರವಾದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಶಾಸಕರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಶಾಸಕರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸಮಗ್ರವಾಗಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
The meeting highlighted both challenges and opportunities for Karnataka Congress, while internal disputes and leadership aspirations remain. The party is focused on delivering developmental promises and preparing for upcoming conventions, including the Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai Constitution event in Belagavi. How these dynamics unfold will shape the party's trajectory in the state.